Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 21E from chapter trigonometry. So starting with question number 11, if 4 cos square a minus 3 is equal to 0 and a is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 90 degrees, then prove that first part sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Second part cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now this is like the similar question which we have solved earlier. ठीक है, sin 3a and cos 3a, we have to find angle A for that. Okay, because we don't know any identity where we have sin of 3a, cos of 3a. Okay, so we have to find A first, and what we are given for that, 4 cos square a minus 3 is equal to 0 and that A lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. मतलब trigonometric table use करना है. Okay, we have all the values, I mean standard values from 0 to 90, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, which you are supposed to remember. Okay, so we are given that 4 cos square a minus 3 is equal to 0. Our aim first is to find A. After that, proving these two becomes very easy. So 4 cos square a is equal to 3. Therefore, cos square a is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore, cos a is equal to root 3 upon 2. We'll ignore the negative values because we don't have negative values wala table for now. Okay, we have only positive values which we consider because the angle lies between 0 and 90. Okay. Now, for this you have to give reason, taking square roots on both the sides. I'm using short forms, please don't use short forms. Now cos of which value is root 3 upon 2? If you check, cos of 30 is root 3 upon 2. We know cos 30 is equal to root 3 upon 2. Therefore I can say cos a is equal to cos 30. Therefore a is equal to 30. Therefore a is equal to 30 degrees. We got the value. Now we will solve first part and second part. Okay, we have to prove this. Now LHS is sin 3a, that is sin 3 into 30, ठीक है, which is equal to sin 90. If you check the table, sin 90 is equal to 1. You're supposed to know the standard values wala table. Okay, if you want to know how to remember the values, you have to check my earlier video where I have taught you a very easy method to remember all the values. Okay, now coming to RHS. In RHS we have 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 into sin 30 minus 4 into sin cube of 30. Now sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Okay, minus 4, you have to check the table for that. Sin cube of 30 मतलब sin 30 का cube. Okay, this will become 3 upon 2 minus 4 into 1 cube gives 1 and 2 cube gives 8. 4 2s are 8. So RHS is equal to 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, which gives 2 upon 2. It is nothing but 1. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and hence you will write down that sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, mark this as 1 and 2 and then say that from 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS. In second part we'll do the same thing. Okay, हम लोग a equal to 30 substitute करेंगे starting with LHS. Cos 3a, so cos 3 into 30, that is nothing but cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Okay, referring to the standard values wala table. RHS, we should get it equal to 0 only, then we can prove LHS equal to RHS. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. that is 4 cos cube of 30 minus 3 cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Okay, so 4 into root 3 upon 2 का cube minus 3 into root 3 upon 2. Okay, therefore RHS is equal to 4 into root 3 cube, root 3 into root 3 into root 3 क्या हो जाएगा 3, root 3 into root 3 gives 3 into root 3, that is 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 upon 2 cube is 8 minus 3 root 3 upon 2, 4 2s are 8. So we are left with 3 root 3 upon 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 2, this gives 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Number this has 3, this has 4. So from 3 and 4 you can say LHS is equal to RHS, and then you can write down cos 3 is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Let's check the next question. Question 12. Find A if A is greater than or equal to 0 degrees and less than or equal to 90 degrees, and sub question 1, 2 cos square A minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to find A over here. Okay, and A lies between 0 and 90, मतलब जो standard values हम लोग ने learn किया है उसमें से ही आएगा. Okay, so you are supposed to know the table. So coming to sub question 1, 2 cos square A minus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll have to solve it. Now 2 cos square A minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 cos square A हो जाएगा 1. Therefore cos square A is equal to 1 upon 2. I want cos, ठीक है, तो ही I'll be able to find A. So cos A is equal to square root of 1 upon 2. You have to give reason, taking square root on both the sides. Please don't use short forms. Now cos A therefore will be equal to square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 is root 2. Cos A is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now which value, which angle, cos of which angle is equal to 1 upon root 2? If you check in the table, cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. So but cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Therefore I can say A is equal to 45. Okay, sub question 2, sin 3A minus 1 is equal to 0. So let us solve this. Sin 3A is equal to 1. Now sine of what angle is equal to 1? Sin 90 is equal to 1. Correct, मतलब 3A is equal to 90, not A, but 3A is equal to 90. Therefore I can say 3A is equal to 90. Therefore A is equal to 30. Okay, coming to sub question 3, 4 sin square A minus 3 is equal to 0. Let us solve this. 4 sin square A is equal to 3. Therefore sin square A is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore sin A is equal to root of 3 upon 4, taking square root on both the sides. So you have to give reason, taking square root on both the sides. Don't use short forms, please. Square root of 3 is root 3 and square root of 4 is 2. So sin A is equal to root 3 upon 2. Sine of what angle in table is equal to root 3 upon 2? If you check, sin 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2. But sin 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2. Therefore I can say A is equal to 60. Alright. Coming to sub question 4, cos square A minus cos A is equal to 0. Now you have to consider this like a quadratic equation and solve it. Okay, quadratic equations आता होगा, so this is very easy. Now some of you might solve it like this: cos square a is equal to cos a. Cos a cancel कर दो, you are left with cos a equal to 1. This is wrong method. You are not supposed to solve like this. Okay, you cannot cancel cos a like this over here. हम लोग को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, कॉमन लेना पड़ेगा पहले. ओके, सो cos a कॉमन लिया, वी आर लेफ्ट विथ cos a minus 1 equal to 0. Now multiplication of two things is equal to 0, so either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Okay, दोनों में से कोई एक 0 होना चाहिए, only then the answer can be 0. So either cos a is equal to 0 or cos a minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now if cos a is equal to 0, cos of what angle is equal to 0? Now we know cos 90 is equal to 0. Okay, so a is equal to 90 if cos a is equal to 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0. All right, and over here we have cos a is equal to 1. Cos of 0 is 1. ठीक है, and cos of 0 is equal to 1. So either a is equal to 90 degrees or a is equal to 0 degrees. There are two possibilities over here in this case. If you would have solved it like this, तो एक ही possibility आता. There are two possibilities in this case. Okay, so therefore a is equal to 90 in first case, or a is equal to 0 degrees. Okay, let's check sub question 5. 2 cos square a plus cos a minus 1 is equal to 0. This is like a quadratic equation again. ठीक है, if you have like this 2x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0, factors find करना है. Okay, ये दोनों multiply करेंगे. 2 into minus 1 along with the sign, it gives minus 2. ओके, फैक्टर्स क्या हो जाएंगे? 2 and 1. किसको पॉजिटिव साइन देना है, किसको नेगेटिव साइन देना है? यहाँ पे वी हैव प्लस, सो बिगर नंबर को पॉजिटिव साइन एंड स्मॉलर नंबर को नेगेटिव साइन. ओके, सो वील अप्लाई इट ओवर योर 2 cos square a प्लस, हाउ वुड यू हैव रिटन दिस ओवर योर? इसको ऐसे लिखते plus 2x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So same thing over here, plus 2 cos a minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, 2 cos a common है first two में, so we'll take common. Plus 1. Now यहाँ पे we'll take minus common, so we are left with cos a plus 1. Therefore 2 cos a minus 1, okay, minus है तो minus 1 हो गया, into 2 cos a plus 1 equal to 0. So either of the two are 0. Therefore 2 cos a minus 1 is equal to 0 or cos a plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore cos a is equal to half or cos a is equal to minus 1. हाफ ठीक है, हम लोग ने नेगेटिव वैल्यूज नहीं किया है अभी तक. ठीक है, स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यूज जो हम लोग ने ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल का देखा है, वी डोंट हैव नेगेटिव वैल्यूज इन दैट टेबल, सो वील नेग्लेक्ट दिस. Okay, we'll neglect this because it has negative value, and between 0 to 90 there are no negative values. So we know cos of what value is equal to half. Cos 60 is equal to half. Therefore A is equal to 60 degrees, and we have to neglect this over here because cos A is not equal to -1 between 0 to 90 degree का वैल्यू. ठीक है. So A is equal to 60 degree. Moving on to next question. Question 13. If A is greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees, find A if sub question 1 cos A upon 1 minus sin A plus cos A upon 1 plus sin A is equal to 4. We are given something and we have to find A from that. Okay, ये equation से हम लोग को A find करना है. And we are also given that A is greater than 0 and less than 90. 0 and 90 का values are not included. मतलब it can be either 30, 45 or 60. We have to find that. Now we'll start solving. We'll cross multiply. तो cos A into 1 plus sin A plus cos A into 1 minus sin A upon 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. This is equal to 4. Now cos A दोनों में कॉमन है. ठीक है, तो आई कैन टेक cos A दोनों से कॉमन. आई एम टेकिंग cos A कॉमन. ब्रैकेट में बचेगा 1 प्लस साइन A प्लस 1 माइनस साइन A अपॉन A माइनस बी. A प्लस बी का फॉर्म है, सो A स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. 1 square is 1 minus sin square A is equal to 4. We'll open the brackets in numerator. So we'll have 1 plus sin A plus 1 minus sin A upon 1 minus sin square A equal to 4. Plus sin A minus sin A gets cancelled. We are left with 2. 1 plus 1 gives 2. 2 cos A upon 1 minus sin square A is cos square A using the identity. ठीक है, 1 minus sin square A इसको शिफ्ट किया तो we are left with cos square A. So we are substituting that over here. You have to give reason for the step. ठीक है, we'll cancel out cos A. What do we have now? 2 upon cos A is equal to 4. Therefore, cos A is equal to 2 upon 4. Therefore, cos A is equal to half. Cos of what angle is equal to half? If you check in the table, cos 60 is equal to half. So, but cos 60 is equal to half. Therefore, A is equal to 60 degrees. Okay? Coming to sub question 2 of question 13, sin A upon sec A minus 1 plus sin A upon sec A plus 1 is equal to 2. We'll solve this. तो पहले क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. So sin A into sec A plus 1 plus sin A into sec A minus 1 upon sec A minus 1 into sec A plus 1 is equal to 2. We'll open the brackets over here. So sin A, okay, we won't open the brackets because यहाँ पे if you notice sin A is common. ओके तो साइन ए को कॉमन ले लेते हैं पहले, ब्रैकेट में बचेगा सेक ए प्लस 1 प्लस सेक ए माइनस 1, a माइनस बी ए प्लस बी का फॉर्म है, सो यू विल गेट ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, दैट इज सेक स्क्वायर ए माइनस 1 स्क्वायर इज 1 equals to 2. We'll open the brackets in the numerator. Let us use identity over here. We know there are only 3 identities to remember, okay? You only have to rearrange the terms. So in this identity we have sec square a minus 1. So if you shift 1 over here, tan square is equal to sec square a minus 1, so I can substitute tan square a over here. So sin a into 2 sec a upon tan square a is equal to 2. All right. Therefore 2 sin a sec a divided by tan square a is equal to 2. I can cancel out 2. So I have sin a sec a I can write as 1 upon cos a, ठीक है, is equal to tan square a. I can write this as tan a, ठीक है, is equal to tan square a. Now what I'll do is I'll not cancel it out, I'll make it as a quadratic equation, ठीक है. तो tan square a minus tan a is equal to 0. I shifted this over here, so we have 0 over here. Now we'll take tan a common into tan a minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore tan a is equal to 0 or tan a minus 1 is equal to 0. Alright. Therefore tan a is equal to 0 or tan a is equal to 1. Now tan a is equal to 0 when a is equal to 0. If you check in the table, tan of 0 is 0. But a is greater than 0, it cannot hold the value of 0. So मतलब ये wrong है. Okay? ये apply नहीं होता है. You will neglect this. Because tan of 0 is equal to 0, but a is greater than 0. So you will neglect this. You'll write down a is greater than 0. Therefore tan a cannot be equal to 0, and we'll apply this value. Okay, tan of what angle is 1? Tan of 45 is equal to 1. Therefore a is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, let's check the next question. Question 14, we have to prove cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a into sec square a is equal to tan a. We'll start with the LHS. Okay, it's very easy. Cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a into sec square a. We want tan a. Okay, cosec I can write as 1 upon sin, and same thing over here. Sec co I can write as 1 upon cos. Alright, so 1 upon sin a minus sin a, 1 upon cos a minus cos a. Sec I can write as 1 upon cos square. ठीक है, I'll solve this. ये हो जाएगा 1 minus sin square a upon sin a. Similarly, this one will become 1 minus cos square A upon cos A into 1 upon cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A upon sin A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A upon cos A into 1 upon cos square A. You have to give reason for these substitutions, ठीक है? Using the identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, we just rearranged the terms and we got 1 minus sin square equal to cos square and 1 minus cos square equal to sin square. I think by now you all should know how to arrange the terms. Okay? Cos square gets cancelled, 1 sin A get cancelled. We are left with sin upon cos. It is nothing but tan A, which is equal to the RHS, hence proved. Coming to question number 14, we have to prove the identity sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equal to sec theta plus cosec theta. It's very easy. Okay, we'll start with the LHS. Sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. Sin and cos will remain as it is, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं करना है. Tan and cot, I'll express it as sin upon cos and cos upon sin respectively. So this will become sin theta upon cos theta and over here cos theta upon sin theta. I'll solve this bracket, I'll cross multiply. Sin into sin gives sin square theta plus cos into cos gives cos square theta upon cos theta sin theta. Sin theta plus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, using the identity, we know this identity, you have to give reason over here. Now sin theta plus cos theta upon this हो जाएगा, so it is sin theta plus cos theta upon cos theta into sin theta. Now we'll split it, all right? So ये हो जाएगा sin theta upon cos theta sin theta plus cos theta upon this denominator. Okay? Sin theta gets cancelled, cos theta gets cancelled. We are left with 1 upon cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon cos is nothing but sec theta and 1 upon sin is cosec theta. This is equal to the RHS. Let's check the next question. Question 16, evaluate without using trigonometric tables. We are given sin square 28 plus sin square 62 plus tan square 38 minus cot square 52 plus 1 by 4 of sec square 30. We don't have to use the trigonometric tables, means we don't have to use the ones given natural cosine, natural tan, natural sine. Okay, you can use the standard trigonometric table, okay, which you have to learn. All right, and to memorize that I have already given you an easy method. Now what we'll do is, we know 28 and 62, they are complementary angles. Okay, and over here also 38 and 52 are complementary angles. So we'll use that method over here. We know sin and cos complementary relation hai, tan and cot complementary relation hai, cos sin cot tan. So we'll use that over here. Okay, and sec square 30, this is a standard value which we'll easily get from the table. So let us start solving. Convert either of these two. Convert as in express either of the two in form of complementary angle. So let this one remain as it is. Let us write this one as 90 minus 28. Or you can do the other way around. इसको लिख सकते हो 90 minus 62. It depends. Okay. Over here the same thing. Either write this one as 90 minus 52 or write this one as 90 minus 38. Sec square 30 है. Okay, sec square 30 is what? It is 2 upon root 3 square. We know sec 30 is 2 upon root 3. So we have sec square over here. So we'll apply square to the value. Now sine square 28. Sine of complementary angle. Okay, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this will become cos square theta, that is 28, and square because we have sine square over here. This tan square will remain as it is. This one, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. We have cot square, so it will become tan square. Plus 1 by 4. 2 square gives 4, root 3 square is 3, 4 gets cancelled. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, you have to give reason for this step. Plus tan square theta minus tan 38 it will get cancelled, plus tan square minus tan square. Okay, 4 gets cancelled, we are left with 1 upon 3. Therefore it will become 3 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, this will become equal to, which is equal to 4 upon 3. Alright, so this is the final answer. Okay, please make sure you write equal to. Okay, by mistake I wrote therefore over there.